2008 Mercedes-Benz S500. Currently not working. Problem unknown. I see a list of things that it says on the screen as I turn. So this is position 1, position 2, position 3, and position 4. Shift to park or neutral. But when I go to park or neutral, this button doesn't work, and also this is moving. The windshield wipers are also inoperable. These are the lights that's on, ESP. Anybody have any other problems like this? Let me know. 2008 Mercedes-Benz S500.